Part 1. Hello everyone. A small hole in your clothes can make the whole piece look much less attractive. But instead of throwing it away or taking it to a repair shop, you can easily fix it neatly right at home. First, take a small piece of denim fabric and gently place it over the torn area to check the size. Make sure it fully covers the hole. Next, use a pen to draw a heart shape on this piece of denim. Take your time and draw the shape smoothly so it looks nice when finished. Now we cut out the heart shape that we just drew. Try to cut slowly so the edges stay clean and even. Next, place the heart-shaped denim patch on top of the hole, making sure it completely covers the damaged area. Hold it in place with your fingers. Now we will use colored embroidery thread to sew the patch onto the jeans. Start sewing around the edge of the heart. These stitches will form a decorative border and also help secure the patch firmly in place. Sew at a steady pace and enjoy the process. This is a great moment to relax and focus. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment and let us know. We would love to connect with you. Once you finish sewing around the heart, push the needle to the inside of the jeans. Tie a knot to secure the thread and cut off any extra thread. And that is it. Now your jeans no longer have a hole. Instead, they have a cute little heart. With just a few simple stitches, you have successfully repaired your jeans. Part 2. In this second part, I will continue by showing you another mending method. This one works well for holes that look more difficult, but it is still very easy to do at home. Take your time and enjoy the process, especially if you love hand sewing. First, take a piece of denim fabric that is wider than the torn area. Place this fabric on the inside of the jeans, directly behind the hole, so it supports a damaged area. Now take a safety pin and use it to secure the patch to the jeans. Next, add 2 more safety pins on each side to hold everything firmly in place. Now take a pink embroidery thread and bring the needle up close to the first safety pin. Wrap the thread around the safety pin. 5 to 6 wraps are enough. After that, sew down both ends of these wrapped threads to secure them. This will create a raised texture on the surface. Continue doing the same steps with the other 2 safety pins. When this step is finished, tie a knot with the thread and cut off the excess thread. Now you can carefully remove the safety pins. Next, use a green embroidery thread to create the stem and leaves of the flower. Sew 3 teardrop-shaped stitches to form the base of the flower. Work slowly and keep your stitches even. Finally, push the needle to the inside of the jeans and tie a knot. Cut off the extra thread to finish. A simple flower has now been completed. It not only covers the tear, but also adds a lovely decorative detail to your jeans. This method is very easy to do at home and is perfect for anyone who enjoys sewing by hand. Part 3. With this method, we will repair a small hole in your jeans using a simple hand embroidery stitch. It is gentle, easy to follow, and very suitable for anyone who enjoys calm sewing. First, begin by sewing basic straight stitches. Stitch them so they cross over each other, forming the outline of a star shape. Take your time with this step. You can also lightly mark a star shape on the fabric before sewing. This helps make the points of the star more even and balanced, especially if you like neat details. Once the star outline is complete, we will continue by sewing simple stitches inside the shape. Slowly fill in the entire star, covering the hole completely. Work stitch by stitch and enjoy the rhythm of hand embroidery. Do you enjoy hand embroidery? Where do you usually stitch your designs? I personally love adding small embroidered details to clothing. They make each piece feel special and personal. Now that the star shape is fully filled in, bring the needle to the inside of the jeans. Tie a small knot to secure the thread. The final step is to cut off the extra thread neatly. A small embroidered star has now covered the hole. Your jeans can be worn for a longer time instead of being thrown away. With just a few simple stitches, you have given your clothing new life. Part 4. One last tip before we finish today's video. This is a small embroidered design that is easy to make at home and very relaxing to sew. The first step is to create a small thread loop on the surface of the fabric. The size of this loop should match the small hole in your jeans. Once the loop is in place, start on the right half of the circle. Stitch a small loops along this thread. Do not pull the stitches too tight. Use a gentle hand and let the loops look soft and natural. Now move to the left half of the circle and continue stitching the same small loops in the same way. When you finish this step, you will have a shape that looks like this, forming the base of a small flower. Next, take a yellow embroidery thread and sew into the center of the red circle. This will become the flower center. Tie a knot and cut off the extra thread before moving on to the next step. Now use green embroidery thread to add the stem and leaves for the flower. Sew using simple basic stitches. You can shape the leaves however you like, depending on your personal style. Take your time and enjoy creating your design. Finally, tie a knot on the inside and cut off the excess thread. A small flower now covers the tear. With this stitching method, you can also use it to decorate a shirt, a t-shirt, or any favorite item to add a unique and personal touch. And before we end this video, I would love to hear from you. Which tip did you like the most? Was it tip number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Please leave a comment and tell us your favorite. All of these sewing ideas are simple, gentle, and easy to do at home. They are perfect for anyone who enjoys hand sewing, including those who like to take their time and relax with needle and thread. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy sewing tips. See you again in the next video.